So what's up guys, this is Ken FX and it's a Monday, understand, it's a very aggressive Monday. So something interesting happened in the charts today. As you can see this chart up by screen, this was the trade I was supposed to take today. But why didn't I enter this trade? I did my analysis and I have my my other block. So when trade got here, I went down to the 15-minute. Actually I did this analysis on the 1 hour time frame here. So this is what it looks like on the 1 hour time frame. Confirm this break of structure first. There's a BOS there, and this little inner one here. And if you watch the previous video, I told you guys I was expecting bearishness from BTC USD. I'm expecting it to push down. So that internal, so when market got down, went down to the 15-minute time frame for confirmation. You know what confirmation is? Bearish engulfing, since we are bearish. So I came down here, couldn't find any bearish candlestick on the 15-minute time frame. Right now POI, as you can see, this is it right here. There was no bearish candlestick, even down to 5 minutes, because I was so desperate to take this trade, but then I needed confirmation. So this is the 5-minute time frame, still no bearish candlestick. I even went as far as going down to the 3-minute time frame, and this is what it looks like on the 3-minute time frame, still no bearish candlestick. You understand? But then it is what it is. And even we enter this trade directly without any confirmation, so we would have even hit CP of 1/4. You understand? Let me put it there. As you can see, we've gone for went for 1/4.3. So for all ETP, we even forget to take the trade. But then that is it. So later on I confirmed the bearish engulfing on the 30-minute time frame, as you can see right here. This was the candlestick that triggered, and this is the bearish engulfing here. But then I can't take a sell from here, so I'm waiting for it to come up to somewhere up this side, which brings us to my second analysis. So I'm waiting for it to come back here. So if you could get to this point, we'll be taking the trade. But then if you didn't get there, we'll just call it a day. You understand? Still just the beginning of the week though, so we'll still got in a lot of days. But then I'll keep you guys updated. So guys, I just want to quickly inform you all that this week content is going to be a little bit different from the previous content we'll be posting, because I'm trying to shift by recording the now moment and merging them together, so that you all can feel the tension and the things that come with taking these trades in the now moment. You understand? So do it to like, subscribe, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. So let's go. So good morning guys, this is Tuesday morning, you understand, and I'm currently on this buy on USD CHF. As you can see right here, it's heading for my stop. But then let's break down the analysis. You can see I confirmed my break of structure here, to the upside, because I'm expecting it to push up. I'm expecting USD CHF to go up. So this is a break of structure here. As you can see, this is the other block that I marked and my inducements. This is the other block and my inducement. But then this is what it looks without this my entry. This is the actual entry here. But why didn't I use this entry? You understand? We have to wait for confirmation, which is the bullish engulfing. You understand? So I went down to the 5-minute time frame to get my confirmation. But as you can see, there was no bullish engulfing here. There was no bullish engulfing, so I have to go down to 3-minute time frame. So on the 3-minute time frame, there's where we find this bullish engulfing here. So I have to take the buy from that point, from up here. So it's kind of heading for my stop now. Let's see, maybe we'll just catch it on camera. So guys, let's dissect the Monday and the Tuesday trade out, so the outcomes. But before then, this one on my chart, this is the analysis I did yesterday. It was Friday, and it's on my Telegram channel. You understand? So if you want to enjoy this premium trades and take trades with me, do where to hit the link in my bio to join my Telegram channel. So let's quickly go into the one for Monday, which is on BTC USD. Took the trade on 5-minute time frame, the re-entry. Took it on 5-minute time frame. So let's hurry up to that point. So guys, this is a BTC trade. As you can see, stopped me out by not even up maybe 1 pips, and went a little bit in my direction. At least even we on this show, we should have even taken partial before get stopped out. But then it is what it is. This one, I think I wasn't supposed to even enter this one. I should have just as I've already missed the entry, I just let it run. But then I'm just acting to my best interest, you understand. So the next one we did was on USD CHF. USD CHF. Let's see, where is it? So guys, this is it here. This was the Tuesday trade on USD CHF. As you can see, this one also, we got stopped out on this one. But then there's something interesting that I've been noticing since the middle of last year and also this year. Like, lately I've been missing opportunities due to I'm trying to seek for confirmation and and all that. I've missed a lot of opportunities. For months have even caused me to lose some of the trades, you understand. Just like this, we don't happen on Monday and Tuesday. Because tell me, if you have entered the trade from the point of origin, which is this point that I'm at, and my stop loss a little bit lower than this, we would have even done 1:2. You understand? Here now we would have taken partials and also break even before the trade will go to my Excel. Likewise, the one that happened on BTC USD. You understand? On BTC, that one was on 45-minute time frame. So let's hurry up there. Where is it now? Where is that place? So likewise, the one that happened on BTC USD, which is this one here. This one here. We would have even hit our TP 1:2 and 1:4 before it will even come to our stop, because this was the analysis here, and as you can see, it got 1:4 before reversing back. You understand? So I don't know, I might probably not be using confirmations again. I just have to do my analysis, provided it's what I needed to say that I've appeared on the chart. I'll just set my buy limit or sell limit, or if I'm on the chart when it got, I'll just execute without hesitation. Because sometimes these confirmations, they do make my stop loss get a little bit bigger than what it's supposed to do. And sometimes we miss opportunities and also take unnecessary losses because we're trying to be more careful. You understand? So that is it for this one. So let's go to Wednesday. So what's up guys, this morning and I'm just waking up here, and I entered the trade last night on USD CHF. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the chart, man. Hey guys, look at my chart here. This is what it's looking like. We're currently in profit, man. We're running a massive profit. Took the trade last night as I was about to sleep, took it. So I'm still going to hold it till TP. You understand? I'll keep you guys updated on how it plays out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to buy your Propfirm, use the link in my bio and on the description of this video. Use the link to buy your Propfirm. I'm not into affiliate marketing. You wanna support me? You understand? Thank you. So I'll keep you guys updated on how it plays out. So what's up guys, update on this trade that I took. You understand, it's going aggressively against me right now. As you can see, it's almost at my break even, but then I'm expecting this fair value gap here that I marked at, maybe hold the price and reject it back up. But then we're almost at break even. I didn't break even on this way because I will not get to my 1:2 mark. Let me show you all. So it didn't get to my 1:2. It only went for 1:1.5, 0.6 thereabout. It didn't get to 1:2. If not, I would have taken half of the position off and wait for it to run to full 2p, 1:4. But then that is the update on the trade. So I'm still holding and hoping it will go, go back up. See you. So what up, my people? Guess what? Look what we have here on the chat, guys. We just hit our 1:2
which is that line there, and we've taken partials and break even. So we're just waiting for full TP right now, guys. We're just waiting for full TP, man. See that rejection from that fair value gap? See that? That is amazing. So I'm just waiting for full TP now. You understand? I've already taken partials, which is $20. I'm just waiting. Once it hits full TP, we're done for the week. You understand? It's been a heck of a week though, but then see you.
So guys, as you can see right here, that trade stopped me out at break even. Stopped me out at break even after I've taken partials. It came back and stopped me out at break even. But then I added one more position here as after I've taken partials. So because I was trying to maximize the potential of the the trade. So I was thinking it was going to go up. So when it got to this fair value gap right here, I added one more position to it. That's how which also got stopped out at this break even. So it's a break even trade, you understand. And this is the P&L for the week. This is the P&L for the week, and this is the P&L for the month. So it's been an amazing month though. We'll try it, you understand. Thank God for risk management. We're able to survive the month. I believe next month is going to be better, you understand. We're going to catch more wins next month, you understand. Next month is our month, you understand. So do well to like, subscribe, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. And as for our Funded African projects, we're still working on it. So if you have any donation, any support, I provided some details in the description of this video. So make use of it if you feel like supporting, but then it is not a must, you understand. So see you all next week. Thank you.